Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the location alerts on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then you want to swipe down and go to the Privacy and Security. Once you're here, go to Location Services and then tap Location Alerts. So you can enable or disable the Show Map in Location Alerts. So if you just click on the button and it will turn gray, it means that they are disabled and now they are enabled. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!